preservation of species. In preservation of species, the progeny has to come forward. A plant, before it dies, it has to produce seeds and throw before it dies, so that the vegetation will continue. This is another law of nature, preservation of species. So this preservation of species, an huge incentive is given, intense joy, that momentary forgetfulness of identity that makes the man mad. It is insignificant joy and extremely momentary, but the intensity with which the heart holds on to that, forgetful of everything. Even it doesn't care for its losses that it has to sustain, or even the death. It will not care for. I have to enjoy. So these enjoyments of sense enjoyments are called pleasures, sense pleasures. They are not happiness. Happiness is sustained and joyful way of living. Happiness. Joy is when it is a short time. No, I go for a picnic, I am joyful. I go for a play, I am joyful. But sense pleasures are different. It is directly affecting mind. Mind is made a little tranquil. So these are a beautiful song. No, song pertains to hearing, one of the sense. But there is a song which can excite your senses, excite your body, excite your senses, excite your energies, pranas, at the same time, which can make you enter into transcendental realm like bhajans, which can link you with nature, which can make you one with nature. You can make you forget the whole thing and enjoy the transcendental beauty, transcendental peace also. These help the spiritual evolution of the jiva. So, when it comes to the worldly term, worldly pleasures, worldly enjoyments, it is what is going to either block your evolution. We evolve from animalhood to humanhood, humanhood to divinehood. This evolution is blocked. There is a stagnation, or there is a slipping back to animalhood. So that which makes your progress, development, expansion, growth blocked, we call worldly enjoyments. That will make you move about in the mire of the world. It will not lift you to higher levels of consciousness. So these are worldly enjoyments. They capture, because it doesn't, though it suffers intensely, though it is in bondage, though it is not evolving, bondage and suffering, constant bondage and suffering, a momentary joy, because it is able to withstand and doesn't care for the suffering and bondage. Because of that, look at the intensity with which it is placed in the nature. So there are people, worldly people, there are neutral people, there are spiritual people who are constantly aspiring for evolution. They are ready to give up these enjoyments for the sake of evolution. I want to evolve. I want to be free. I don't want to be in prison house. Somebody says, I will take you, I will keep you in the prison, a beautiful house arrest, and you'll be given fine food, your health is taken care, everything. No friends, no relatives, but what you need for sustaining a joyful life. You can sleep, you can enjoy, but you'll be in prison house. Many are ready to enter into it. Many are not ready to enter. Like that, the thing is, some are in the path of evolution, some are in the path of involution, involutory process. It is going down and down. Evolutory is going up and up.